Barcelona is a city known for its stunning architecture, vibrant culture, and delicious food. But it can also be quite expensive for tourists. Are you looking to visit Barcelona on a budget? In this video, Eternal Voyager is giving you the complete guide of how to spend less in Barcelona. Like other videos in this on a budget series, we cover best time to visit, accommodation, places and activities, and of course food and transportation. In this video, we will even give you a bonus tip, so stay tuned till the end. Best time of year to visit. It is not unpopular that the summer months are always the most expensive time to visit a destination. That's why the months of October to November and February to April are perfect for those who want to avoid the crowds and save money. Although the weather can be cold and rainy during the winter, May and September offer better weather and are still more affordable than the peak summer season. 2. Accommodation. Depending on how much you're willing to spend, Barcelona has option for any budget. Hotel rooms start at €100 per night and go up depending on the area. Gracia is a wonderful neighborhood with bars and boutiques. Here you can find budget-friendly hotels. El Born is a more central area, yet you can still search for affordable accommodation. Another affordable option is the area of El Raval, an up-and-coming neighborhood that is transforming into a real cultural place. If your budget is really tight and you are willing to stay in a hostel, a room or a bed in a hostel shared room start at €25 per night. Some areas to look for a hostel accommodation are El Ferro, Coblancs, and Sant Antoni. Our best recommendation will be finding an apartment or a private room within an apartment in any area of the city. You can find private double rooms in an apartment for €25 per night or a one-bedroom apartment for €80 per night. Places and activities. Visit famous attractions on a budget. First, you should know tickets for famous monuments in Barcelona are pricey. Tickets for the legendary Catholic Church, Sagrada Familia, can be from 17 to €32 with online booking. Buying tickets on the spot is more expensive. However, there are days when entrance is completely free. Of course, you need to research this on their website prior to your visit. Usually these open days are during the festivities of La Mercè in September. Admiring the exterior of the cathedral is popular and also completely free. Park Güell is one of the must-visit attractions in Barcelona for every tourist. Designed by Antoni Gaudí, this park is famous for its colorful mosaics, impressive architecture, and stunning views of the city. Admissions start at €7.50 with online booking. Of course, this can be different every time. However, there is a way you can visit this park without spending a cent. We recommend visiting before opening hours or after closing hours. This is not forbidden, and you won't get in trouble. Of course, this will mean you need to get up early in order to see the park in daylight. It's worth it when you're on a budget, right? Visit museums on a budget. Barcelona is home to a wide variety of museums, ranging from art and history to science and technology. While some of these museums can be quite expensive, there are also many ways to visit them on a budget. One great way to save money is to take advantage of their free admission days. For example, the Picasso Museum offers free admission every Thursday afternoon from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and the first Sunday of every month from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Other museums, such as the Maritime Museum, have a low admission fee of only €5. Free places. In Barcelona, there are sites to visit completely free of charge. La Rambla Boulevard is one of the most famous streets in Barcelona. This bustling pedestrian street is lined with shops, restaurants, and street performers, making it a lively and entertaining place to explore. If you are not planning to spend money, you can still wander around this street and enjoy it for free. The Voyager market is another popular destination for visitors. This colorful market is filled with stalls selling everything from fresh produce to seafood, sweets, and souvenirs. While you may be tempted to buy some of the delicious-looking food, simply wandering through the market and admiring the displays is completely free. Visiting the beaches in Barcelona is completely free. There is no entry fee. Two famous beaches are Barceloneta and Masterbella. However, there are a lot more if you want to explore and research. You don't need to spend anything at the beach. Buy some refreshments and snacks from a supermarket instead of ordering at a beach bar. Sit down on the sandy beach and enjoy a breathtaking view with your travel buddies. The hike to Montjuïc is a great way to get some exercise while enjoying the beautiful scenery and history of Barcelona. Montjuïc is a hill located in the southwest of Barcelona that offers some of the most stunning panoramic views of the city. The hike trail is well marked and there are various routes to take. You'll pass by gardens, historic fortresses, and Olympic facilities. At the top of the hill, you'll find the Montjuïc Castle, a former military fortress that now serves as a museum. Food and transportation. When it comes to meals in Barcelona, we recommend making lunch your main meal. Breakfast is a pretty basic meal in Barcelona, and you don't need to spend a lot. However, for lunch, you can take advantage of the Menú del Día, or translated menu of the day. This concept is offering people the chance to dine at every restaurant at a fixed price. The restaurant offers a starter, main dish, dessert, as well as a drink for a fixed price of their own. Quality and prices depend on the type of restaurant. You can buy this menu for as low as 10 euros. Be sure to look for signs advertising the Menú del Día outside restaurants. You can try their traditional food like fideuà for 10 to 12 euros per portion, pintexos for 1 to 3 euros, and gazpacho for 2 to 10 euros. Transportation options are abundant in Barcelona. Besides taxi, which is the most expensive option, there is a metro, bus, and a tram. Metro stations can be found on every corner. The ticket is 2.40 euro per person and is valid for 75 minutes. Working hours are from 5 a.m. to midnight, depending on the day. The bus lines are more complex than the metro, so do your research. You can purchase a single ticket from the bus driver for 2.40 euros. The tram is convenient if you want to visit more peaceful, far places. A single ticket is 2.20 euro, and you can get it from a ticket machine. If you plan to commute on a daily basis, research the Tajwal card or the Barcelona card, as their prices vary depending on the option you choose. Bonus. Night out in Barcelona on a budget. Nightclubs and bars can be expensive, especially famous ones in the city center and around Barceloneta beach. Think of areas like El Raval and Gracia, where you can find great local bars with happy hours and promotion. Another option is just buying drinks from a supermarket and enjoying time in a park or other cool spots. Alcohol is cheap in Barcelona, so make sure to check out the supermarkets first before you spend too much at a bar. There you have it, a trip to Barcelona on a budget. We hope our budget tips helped and inspired you. Start packing and book a flight for your next unforgettable vacation. Thank you for watching our video. Hit that like and subscribe button and share with your travel buddies. See you next time.